Blockchain technology is now on its highest peak ever. It came into the market since 2009. Currently, the total cryptocurrency market cap is roughly $4.4 trillion. You must be wondering how to invest. Where to invest? Am I late? Such questions will be answered here in this video. High returns come with high risk and extreme volatility. Bitcoin market share is now booming, and simultaneously altcoin market is growing faster. Investing in altcoins and making profit most of the time is the best way to earn bitcoins rather than buying it. But lack of knowledge, lack of experience, and lack of analysis of trading can make you lose money. So what is the option? And how can one create $1 million wealth by investing in cryptocurrencies? Well, let's know about it. There are actually more than 4,000 coins to choose from. Which one to choose from? The answer is Bitpax, the first coin-based index fund. Bitpax will track the top 10 cryptocurrencies independently. Our AI trading bot and industry trading experts, who have more than 10 years of experience in index trading, makes it possible to generate regular profits for our clients. We will keep changing on 2 cryptocurrencies depending on market situation. Our research team analyzes every day and select 2 currencies with good performances. Just like S&P 500, which keeps tracking top 500 US companies. The top 10 coins changes time to time. Bitpax will be responsible of mitigating risk and volatility. Bitpax generates more than 10% profit per day. We can say minimum these much of the day and provides 1% to 1.9% profit to clients every day. Depends upon your investment package. Suppose you start with basic pack that is $100. Then you will earn 1% daily profit. In standard pack $250, you get 1.1%. And this percentage of profit increase 0.1% as packages go from lower to higher. Higher package is $100,000, which you get 1.9% daily profit. As you invest in Bitpax, you are eligible to get Bitpax coins as a bonus. In basic pack, 5% bonus, that is 1,050 Bitpax coins. Standard pack 10%, that is 2,750 Bitpax coins. Gold pack 20%, that is 6,000 Bitpax coins. Advanced pack 30%, that is 13,000 Bitpax coins. Ultimate pack 40%, that is 35,000 Bitpax coins. Platinum pack 50%, that is 75,000 Bitpax coins. Diamond pack 60%, that is 160,000 Bitpax coins. Ruby pack 70%, 425,000 Bitpax coins. Emerald pack 80%, that is 900,000 Bitpax coins. Sapphire pack 90%, that is 1,900,000 Bitpax coins. Calculation is based on coin price 10 cents. When you promote and refer someone, you get 6% direct referral commission, which is apart from your passive income. And you get binary matching bonus of 10%. For example, you have 35,000 points in left leg and 25,000 points in right leg. Then you will get 10% matching, that is USD 2,500. 1 point equals $1. Remaining amount of 10,000 points in left leg will be carried forwarded for future business. After making a network, you get 2% of entire network as a Unilever bonus. Index funds with automated trading have much lower fees than managed funds. These have consistently beaten actively managed funds since their inception. Investors are free to sell and exchange their coins at any time. No exit, broker, or advice fees. Full blockchain transparency. Powered by data science and a proven fund structure. Instantly, a diverse crypto folio is now easy holding in a single coin. One coin will link directly to 10 underlying crypto assets. Bitpax gives a chance to triple funds easily and covering all categories of people, whether you're an investor, trader, or promoter. Let's build a community where everyone is happy. Bitpax, building relationships, generating wealth. Website www.bitpax.co